Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina and today's video is in partnership with Purity Naturals. Purity Naturals is a company that focuses on skincare and the health of your hair. And they have a product that is called Biotin Hair Serum. They reached out to me about a couple of months ago, but before they reached out to me, I was already using this product because I have always been on a hunt for ingredients that's in products, and I have been doing a lot of research on hair serums, and Biotin came up as like one of the #1 hair serums that you can put on your hair. And so I just started doing more research and found out that Biotin hair serum can promote hair growth, hair thickness. It penetrates your hair follicles, aiding in the health of your hair growth. Biotin hair serum is really good for your hair. So I've been using this product now for about 3 months. I've been using it on my wash days. I've been using it on my co-wash days, my in-between days, and I've really been focusing on this product penetrating my scalp to promote that hair growth. And let me tell you, I must say, this product does work. I wore my hair down today, and I'm going to be demonstrating with you today how I use this product when it comes to penetrating my scalp and my hair shafts. And I must say, over the months, my hair has gotten thicker and it has gotten fuller. And for me, you guys know that is my objective. I did want to just go ahead and pull them up online. It says here on the website that it promotes healthy hair growth the smart way. Okay, it says thicker, stronger, more healthier looking hair is not just a matter of genetics, it's a matter of nutrition too. And you guys know I talk about nutrition and how it's important to the health of your hair. Here it is right here. It shows you that this company is definitely into hair care from the inside out. Says, with this wonderful Biotin hair strengthening serum, you can finally help give yourself the dense and lustrous hair you've always wanted. That's me. Ding, that's me. Perfect for fuller looking edges and hairlines. You know, I'm always talking about them edges, always talking about protecting your hairlines, and this product definitely has helped my edges just stay healthy, full, and shiny. It says here that the secret of the serum strength lies in its formula. See what the power of Biotin can do for your bald spots, your edges, and hairline by combining panthenol, which is vitamin B5, pea sprout extract, and other active ingredients and nutrients. It provides a follicle boosting of effects that can assist in the retention and growth of natural, healthy looking hair. This product is everything that I'm about. They have a money back guarantee. Anything that has a money back guarantee, I always go for it because they're backing their product, so they don't want to lose any money. And if they think their product work and they're backing it 100% money back guaranteed, you gotta try it. Like I said earlier, I use it in my wash day routine, my in-between wash day routine, and I also use it to stimulate my scalp, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you in just a moment. But on the website it says here to dispense 2 to 3 drops of serum directly onto your scalp or in the palms of your hands. I use my fingertips instead of the palms of my hands. Gently working into the scalp with a massaging in a circular motion. For additional conditioning, distribute with fingertips on damp hair from the mid-length to the end of your hair strands. And then you want to wrap it up and allow this serum to just penetrate it and do its magic on your scalp and on your hair strands. Today I'm going to show you how I do it on my scalp, and then I'm going to put a little on my ends just to make sure that my ends are sealed well with this hair serum. It also says here, do not dry right away. For best results, leave it overnight. I never wash this out. Like I said, when I do it on my wash day routines, I normally do it not during the wash portion of my hair. I do it during the styling portion of my hair. And then I also use steam. Steam is a really good way to get products into your hair shaft. And so I've used steam with this product, and like I said, I've also just applied it to my ends of my hair like every other night. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do this. So let's get on with the demonstration. So first I'll go ahead and split my hair into 2 sections. I'm going to squirt 2 pumps. 1, 2. And it is like, it's definitely a serum, liquidy, smooth feeling. I love the way it feels. It also stimulates the scalp because it has peppermint in there, peppermint oil extract in there, and everyone knows that peppermint extract is so invigorating to the hair scalp. So I'm going to go ahead and give myself a good scalp massage using this product. So let me go ahead and get this going. Oh man, that feels so good. You can definitely smell the peppermint. It smells really good, really good. And you can definitely feel your hair, like your scalp tingling. So you get that scalp tingling, you know it is working. And then you want to focus on the areas, like if you are balding in certain areas, you definitely want to focus on those areas that are your problem areas, or areas that, like I said, that you're balding or you're noticing that you're losing hair. You definitely want to put it directly on those locations while you're doing your scalp massage. And then you want to also make sure that you are getting your edges. So I just definitely just do like this on my edges. I find that my hair is getting thicker around the edges and fuller around the edges and stronger. So I know that this product is definitely working for my edges. And so I did this side, and I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my edges, my ends here, just like this. This product is not oily at all, so it's not heavy on your hair strands at all. That's one thing I do love about it. So I don't feel, my hair doesn't feel weighed down or greasy or anything like that. So if you have a straight style, blowout style, unless you wet your hair should not revert back. As you can see, I put it on the edges, and my hair, my ends and my hair has not reverted back. And you're gonna put it on the edges. And then you also want to make sure you're getting the nape of your head in the back, because I don't know about y'all, but I have been really like breaking my hair off in the back, because, you know, pulling it up in ponytails and stuff like that can really do damage on the nape of your head back here when it comes to hair growth. So this product right here would be really good to combat that breakage on the back of your hair, and also get that scalp rejuvenated so it can start growing at a fast pace. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, now that that's all done, yeah, I'm really feeling this product, and I'm sure if you guys try it, you will feel it too. So again, I want to thank Purity Naturals for collaborating with me today on this video. Alright, so if you want to check this product out, I'll leave everything in the description box. Alright, and as always, remember to stay focused. Keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye!